Gardening is blooming. More and more people are discovering the joy of growing their own food. Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking a sun-warmed tomato or a crisp cucumber. That's the magic of home gardening. It's not just about the fresh, delicious taste. Homegrown vegetables are packed with nutrients, straight from the vine to your plate. Plus, gardening is a wonderful way to connect with nature and enjoy the outdoors. Whether you have a large yard or just a sunny balcony, you can experience the satisfaction of growing your own food. Let's explore how to grow two garden favorites, tomatoes and cucumbers. With a little care and attention, you'll be enjoying the fruits and vegetables of your labor in no time. Get ready to dig in and discover the joys of homegrown goodness. Tomatoes are a staple in many kitchens, and for good reason. Bursting with flavor, they're incredibly versatile in countless recipes. Growing your own tomatoes is easier than you might think. First, choose a sunny spot for your tomato plants. Tomatoes thrive in warmth and sunlight. Next, provide support. Tomato plants can grow quite tall, so stake them or use a cage to keep them upright. Watering is key. Water your tomato plants deeply and consistently, especially during dry spells. Finally, be patient. It takes time for tomatoes to ripen to perfection. But once you taste that first homegrown tomato, you'll know it was worth the wait. Cucumbers are wonderfully refreshing, especially on a hot summer day. These cool, crisp vegetables are surprisingly easy to grow at home. Like tomatoes, cucumbers love sunshine. Plant them in a spot that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Cucumbers also need plenty of water. Water them deeply and regularly, making sure the soil stays moist but not waterlogged. To keep your cucumber plants healthy and productive, provide a trellis or other support structure for them to climb. This will prevent the cucumbers from resting on the ground, which can lead to rot. Harvest your cucumbers regularly to encourage more growth. And remember, the smaller the cucumber, the sweeter the flavor. Section 4. Homegrown goodness. Taste the difference. Reap the rewards. There's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown produce. Tomatoes and cucumbers straight from the garden are bursting with flavor and freshness. You'll be amazed by the difference in taste compared to store-bought vegetables. But the benefits of growing your own food extend beyond just the delicious taste. Homegrown produce is often more nutritious because it doesn't have to travel long distances to reach your plate. Plus, you can feel good knowing exactly what went into growing your vegetables. No harmful pesticides or chemicals. And here's an added bonus. You can even sell your surplus produce at local farmers markets or to neighbors. It's a rewarding way to share your bounty with others and even earn some extra income. Section 5. Sow the seeds of success. Your garden awaits. Ready to experience the joy of gardening for yourself? There's no better time than now to get started. Start small with just a few tomato and cucumber plants. You'll be amazed by how much you can grow in even a small space. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Gardening is a hands-on experience that connects you with nature and the food you eat. Remember, every gardener starts somewhere. Embrace the learning process and don't be discouraged by setbacks. With a little patience and care, you'll be harvesting your own delicious tomatoes and cucumbers in no time. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there and grow something amazing.